All right, let me tell y'all about what happened real quick, right? So we was out there, we was coming around the corner. I was like, look, telling my boy behind me in the Mustang from the picture that y'all saw posted and in the video also, like, bro, I'm about to bend every corner we see, right? We are literally 10 minutes into our motherfucking cruise, 10 minutes into it. And I'm out here sitting here bro, I'm about to hit this corner. I'm telling you, when I was about 3 years ago, I remember seeing this Hellcat take off from the same light going the other way though. And he just like, started out slow. He just burned out and took off. I was like, yo, I want to reenact that, except I'm going to do it the opposite way since I ain't got the power that he got. Only thing I can do is bend the corner real hard and make people say, oh. So, you know, me, I'm like, yo, I'm about to bend this corner, bro. Like, he go all the way up there. Like, bro, it's a Scatpack. It's 500 horses, give or take. When my muffler delete, I'm going to say 500. So, you know, I'm like, I'm about to bend this corner. Let me tell y'all what happened. So, as your boy about to bend this corner, I first hit it, you know what I'm saying? I'm hitting it, sliding, like, walking that, just walking it out, you know what I'm saying? Walking that bitch. Next thing I know, man, the bitch say, and I'm just like, y'all see the face in the video, you know what I'm saying? Doing the ugly face, like somebody trying to like, all right, but look, man, forget all that, but look, man, fuck y'all sitting at home laughing about that because I wasn't laughing when it happened. Look at my face. Do I look like I was laughing? Man, hell nah, y'all gonna see in the video. But man, listen, your boy was terrified, bro. I sat there, I got there, after I hit that corner and that bitch straightened back up. Wow. I drove all the way to fuck like this, grandpa mode. That bitch came out of track mode and went in eco all the way. I was just babying that motherfucker home like, please, Lord, thank you for not letting me destroy my car. Hey, for about 2 seconds, your boy was goddamn worried. Look at my face in the video. Man, I ain't lying to y'all. But regardless, I bent that down corner. And would I do it again? Man, fuck no, I ain't hitting that corner like that again because whatever was on the road is still gonna be there. It's gonna have to rain, snow, and then rain again before I ever hit that corner like that again because something on that motherfucker was slick. Slick, you hear me? That bitch grabbed on for some odd reason and did some crazy shit, but that's what happened. That's what you guys about to see, man. I hope y'all enjoyed my story about how it happened. Now let's get into the video so I can show you guys exactly how it happened. Man, y'all crazy, bro. Y'all fucking crazy. Good morning, y'all. This is Preston from Exotic Car Blacklist, and welcome back to another channel, Exotic Car Blacklist. That sounded kind of ran together, but welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another exciting vlog coming from your boy, or episode, whatever you want to call it, whichever one. I prefer both. I don't even care. But let me clear something up real quick from my very last video. On my last video, I was at a dealership, and I was checking on a car, looking to see about purchasing another vehicle. And what this was all about was I was looking at upgrading from the Beast to another Beast, the Red Eye. And I was debating on which will be more cost effective for the power that I got with the vehicle / rarity. Okay, so it came down to I wanted to add more horsepower and not necessarily change the body up, which is why I was looking at wide bodies in the same exact color. But I wanted to try to get more power and go for the bang for the buck. So I priced out a Hellcat and I was sitting at 90 grand out the door with my negative equity rolled into it, plus some dealer fees. And then for the Red Eye, I was looking at around 100-ish for the Red Eye. And right now, I don't think I'm ready to like make 14, well, that would be like almost 18, make almost $1,800 payments on a car. Saying that I just bought a Jeep and I have this also under me, so I'm already doing 14. That'd be another like 14 to 18 in car payments. And that's already like, well, you're looking at $3,000 in car payments. I'm not ready yet. I'll do something like that once this channel takes off. And the very day that, the very first, I'm gonna say the third month of being monetized. Let me take that back. So my third month of being monetized, I'm either gonna purchase a new vehicle or I'm gonna drop a different motor in here. So the argument or the thought or idea that I had was either I can buy a Hellcat or buy a Red Eye, or I can just buy the motor and drop them into the Scat. Now with that being said, dropping the motor into the Scat would actually be a cheaper alternative, getting the same block out of that car. Since this is going to be installed through Dodge, everything through Dodge, I should still be able to retain my factory warranty since it is a Mopar motor coming from Dodge, which is a big part of why I wanted to do that. So really wanted to make an all motor beast, but just kind of looking at my options, I'm not going to get more than, I would say, around like 600 horsepower out of this thing all motor. And that is a lot of power, but there are other ways to make more power. So that's the whole backstory on the whole on the dealership thing yesterday. I was trying to be secretive because I wanted to bring you guys, you know, something amazing if the deal worked out, but I cannot see myself paying 90 grand right now, 3 grand in car payments. So that was the story behind that. But now that that is out the way, completely out the way, let's get this video started and let's get a roll on. I'm gonna try to get a rematch on that GT today because I did not race him in track mode. I raced him in sport mode, which was crazy. So he does have a built block, so keep that in mind too. So let's get this video started and let's go track this bitch down. Oh crap, what am I doing? What would I be without a cold start on this beast? It is about to be loud. Here we go. Neighbor's gonna be pissed. Let me close my door so I can piss my neighbors off real quick. Oh God. Holy shit. Ooh, that's loud. It pissed me off. Shit. Damn, you know how sometimes the weather be so cold, you gotta cuss the weather out? Yeah, my car is so loud, I gotta cuss my car out. Like, bitch, boy, you cranking up so motherfucking loud. You gotta cuss them all the way out. All right, let's get in this bitch and get rolling. Y'all hear that? It's vibrating the whole car. Look at the camera shaking. Look, my hand's right here. Damn, the car vibrating from the exhaust. And the bitch dropping decibels in this bitch. Okay guys, so this is where I lost control in the car right here. So I'm just letting you guys see what was going on. This is the exact spot coming up. I had some people messaging me like, yo, you good? Like literally right here is where I was walking the car side to side up the street because I hit a slick spot and I'm used to bending corners. I promise y'all, I'm used to bending corners, but something was different that day. But this is where I started it, and then I was sliding that corner right there. Guys, I promise you, this was normal for me. This was definitely normal for me, but that day in particular, the devil had it out for me. He was not gonna take me, but he had it out for me. He had it out for my car. He tried to take that F8 green away because he knew how much I loved it. So yeah, that's what happened, y'all. That was the corner that almost took my life away. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button, because your boy is doing crazy shit out here. Sometimes on accident, as you see, but mostly on purpose. Holla at you. Holla, 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 holla.